Hi, my name is Dan with Droneblog.com. Today, we'll be walking through creating a brand new DJI account using the DJI RC. Now, whether you have a few different DJI accounts already or none due to being new to the DJI ecosystem, creating a new or first DJI account is quite simple through the DJI Fly app, whether this is done on the DJI RC or a smartphone. Now, with the DJI account, you'll be able to, of course, fly your drone, but without altitude and distance limits, unlock geofence locations, keep track of flight hours and statistics, and download and run automatic firmware updates. Now, the first step would be enabling and connecting to a Wi-Fi network on the DJI RC. If this is your first time doing so, access the RC system settings by double swiping down the notifications shade. Once in the settings screen, press and hold the Wi-Fi icon. This will bring you into the Wi-Fi settings. Here you can connect to your preferred network. Now, if you previously connected to a Wi-Fi network, on the settings screen, simply tap the Wi-Fi icon and you should connect. Now, the next step, after returning to the Fly app home screen, we want to select Profile. Now, if you've already logged into a DJI account and would like to create a new one, here you'd go to Settings, then Log Out on the left side of the screen. Accept the confirmation, and you'll be taken back to the Profile login screen. Now, if you're not already logged into a DJI account and would like to create a brand new one, you would go to log in and enter your email. The prompt asks for a phone number or an email address. We suggest submitting an email address. Check the I have read and agree box. If the email address you supplied has not been previously used, you will then be prompted to input a password that is between 8 and 20 characters, as well as input a CAPTCHA. If you'd like to subscribe to product news, keep the check mark in the box. If not, uncheck it, then select register. You'll then be presented with the generic DJI username. If you'd like to change the generic name to one of your choosing, then just simply press the name and then change the username on the next screen and click Done. And that's it. As can be seen, setting up a DJI account via the DJI Fly app is very quick and painless. Now, if you'd like to set up a DJI account via the internet prior to purchasing or logging into your new DJI RC, simply go to www.dji.com from your favorite browser and then choose Register. Well, that's all for this video. If you find these types of video tutorials helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials and reviews, head to Droneblog.com.